Hey there, my name is Sankumar and my channel name is Fair and Repair Mobile Rescue. Watch this video till the end and please subscribe. So today I'm going to show you how to repair a motherboard of T528 which has the problem of charging. It has charging problems and due to this I have a solution and boom. Let's get started. So in this field of PCB repair, we are going to start with the terminals, battery terminals. So here is the positive side of the terminals and it goes through the charging port. So that is the battery terminal for the positive side, and the chamber wire is being used in this point for positive side. You can see this point from this resistor R200 and goes through this system, charging system. So you can see, let me just zoom fast so that you can see clearly. My camera is not clear, but all the same. So in this charging system, for this charging IC, the power goes from voltage from 5.2 and it is being reduced to something like 450 something, and it passes through this resistor. So when this resistor is shooting, there is a chamber wire which goes through to the positive side. For this, that is positive, and for this positive side it goes, for the negative side it goes all the way through this charging system and goes to the R200 capacitor and goes direct to charging IC. So when there is fault, you can find in this resistor or this side leg here. So sometimes it can finish the ground and you can chamber it direct to positive side, and because it has goes through, it can go direct, but it can't go like that one. That is the negative to positive, so that brings the confusion when you are chambering the wire. Most of the people confuse this, so if you don't want to confuse this, just watch this video till the end. So what I am going to tell you today is this terminal here, it goes all the way through that terminal for this charging system and goes direct into the charging IC through this point and goes direct into the terminals. You can see these capacitors always support, so when it gets into water, sometimes it may damage the charging system. These components which are found in the charging system may damage, so you can chamber it because maybe sometimes you don't have the spares required, so that you can replace them using this method I have told you is 100% sure. So this, without this, the phone might not work perfectly, but it can still work without that. Okay, this one is ground and it goes from negative side and comes all the way to the negative through these capacitors from the charging system, and from this point it goes direct to the positive side because the charging system needs the power to be reduced, and the function of these capacitors here, like